Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन भक्तन की जय, अनंत अनंत गुरु वैष्णव की जय, सपाट सद्गुरु हरि की जय, गौर नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। श्रीमद प्रेम भक्ति चंद्रिका श्रीला नरोत्तम ठाकुर एंड रूपानुग गौड़ीय गुरुवर्ग। Yesterday is hearing Narottam Thakur. He is explaining, big ocean, there is lot of water, unlimited, and many living entities they are also present. Too many, not one, two. Hey, you go this way. Brahmachari inside is sitting. So now is telling lot of water. What water inside is many crocodile, many whalefish, many timingle, snake, fish. There is all are present, but all are has lot of water inside, but they have no happiness. One another which is fighting, wrestling, and one another which is attracting, killing. Like lot of rasa in this world. This called mundane. This is anybody taking there not will be humble, will be cruel. This mundane rasa distributor, many actors, many other society, other many called like tutor, guardian. They giving this mundane rasa. This rasa drinking, taking, and there will be like a cruel animal. But after this ocean too, sun is own power with it. He is taking some vapor with his water. Then that thing is very clean. He is taking his near, making clouds and saving, not drying. Here to drying, meaning anybody mundane world, there is all punishment coming. And anybody going nearby God person, then they have no punishment. No, there is disturbance coming. So this clouds is nearby, and also big hill station. There are lot of ice. Why? They are also nearby. Why there is cold? The ice, sun, sun rays is coming down in the world. There is heating and chilling and too much giving punishment. But they are nearby, no punishment. Cooling, ice, very cold, and they are Himalaya, nice friends. They have no problem. Clouds has no problem. Why? Cloud water is taking vapor with it. So no mix there is any mundane. this water has many mixture, and this mixtures is anybody taking, there is will be poisonous and cruel. Giving example, mundane world is love, like cruelty, not love. Anybody showing, I like you, I have love for you, and you are my family, but no, this is not true. This is very cruel. And here everybody pushing and punishing, no helping. Then God person, how are they? Then telling, be carefully, seriously, some water they taking. Same, anybody within Guru Varga, within Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, nearby, then no more, there is punishment. No, there is problems. How? Telling one granddad, like 2 stone pieces, making hole, they are giving some rice, dal, anything, and grinding. Granddad, before, all house to house, all are grinding. And middle one stick, and stick top of this granddad is keeping, and one side is moving. That these sticks near any weeds, any piece, yeah, anything, they granddads not tasting them, grinding. So other they making dust and throwing. Similar, anybody close, nearby God person, God family members, they have no problem. Otherwise, mundane dosa, ocean of Sindhu, they are all animal, all evidently they are big, poisonous and fighting, all time resting. Also, this world, demigods, merciful, they are giving mercy and taking Maya Rasa, Jala Rasa, lot of collection, and they are Nitya Baddha. All time arrested, all time trying, it is Maya. No possible, they are get liberation. And another one, Swarup Shakti, Yogamaya, near is present, there is eternal Nitya Mukta, they are get liberation. How are they? They are Krishna Sivananda, which is all time observed and involved. They cannot going another way. There is Krishna Das, no Maya Das, no this senses and other things for greedy, no service for their Maya service for this, no. They have attachment whom mean Nitya Mukta, and Buddha has all time desire, they are Maya Das, and Nitya Das, Krishna Das is two is different. So this God mercy, he what is this? Then telling. One is Bhogdeha, this now, and one is they have Bhogakankha, all time desire. Too much attachment, too much desire, enjoy for, then thinking this is Bhogadeha, Maya Deha. And one is Krishna Sivanmukh and Jogmaya, which is related. Then Bhoga for not too much desire. They are not thinking about this body, day and night, not helping for, serving for, not busy. This one, like this, helpful little bit, therefore giving some help, but not all time busy. This Brahmanda, not only, many Brahmanda has water, air, sun, moon, planets, and many stars, many other girls, they, everybody present. But I am forgetting God, I am looking this planets, yeah, stars, yeah, water, air, fire, they are near, I am Saranagata, surrender, took shelter, and following them, then I am will be Unmad, crazy. ekdom pagal. Then Thakur Maharaja is saying, no possible. Their life very helpful and hopeful. Yeah, happy life, not possible. They are going Guru's near, taking Diksha, and Vaishnavas near coming, taking Shiksha, but they are appointed within Maya, and seriously they like these things, then no coming knowledge. No soul for they will be greedy and evil. Then Buddhi, brain not working. Why? Then Buddha give one example. One night, evening time, one big boat reserving some parts. They are going 50 kilometer distance far away. Morning they have big program. And boatman 8 person. There is driving boat. There is boat has like 200 person. They are eating and resting in boat. Morning time they arrive there. Early morning before 3:30, 4 o'clock, some old man is waking and asking, hey, now his boat is where? Oh, now coming soon. Only half an hour after all are will be on places. Yes, but all night all are driving, not sleeping, not resting. All boat is driving. Okay. After half an hour, he said, where are all? That mango tree, banyan tree under, this boat is before, now also here. Why not crossing? Why not going? Old man, crazy man. Sit up, sleeping. No brain. He said, I have brain, you are crazy. I am crazy? Look at this banyan tree. And this all garden. Here before his boat, all are is sitting. See? Yes. Then looking. Oh, why not boat is going? Boat is there before this inside this anchor which is there is fixing, but not take out this one. Now this boat how can going? Boat this side to this side, this side to this side, only moving. But they are driving, they are intoxicated, they are drinking a lot of wine and alcohol, they have no brain, Maya Ros, and forget everything, driving, working too hard. This is called austerity. This is called labor, hard work. So mundane people, day and night working. This side, where? Staying America. But where is anchor? In Navadvip. Who are she and he, one small kid, baby, one wife and mother, father, others, day and night working there, thinking here. And 1 rupee it is maintaining, 99 rupees sending here. Why? Here is this fixed anchor. But he not take out, then he not crossing anything. So now saying Narottam Das Thakur, Asad Bhole, is honest, no. Chaste, no. There is criminal, cruel, cheater, crooked, hypocrite. They are anyhow giving bribe, too much sweet, love, affection with this thing. You are my son. I am your old mother, old parents. I am your wife. Without you, I can live. I have no life. I am your wife, cutting your life without knife. This is my proposal, propaganda. But this is children. Oh, children. Burning. This drain. I am laying in that drain. So this Asad Bole, bad attraction, Maya Devi's rasa drinking, then this attraction very sweet. Narottam Thakur say, chanting Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Yeah, Radhe Shyam, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Otherwise, Sitaram, Sitaram. But why Sitaram, Sitaram? My wife like me, I will be wealthy, healthy. My son will be good, my family. So there is, you are appointed. Therefore, this bhajan, only family bhajan. Coming illness, telling Gurudev not helping me, Sadhu not helping me, Holy Dham not helping me. I am gone every year is parikrama. Every year I am doing, big feast is giving. I am serving sadhus. But where I am appointed, where is anchor, where is hook, that you cannot take out. How can crossing 1 inch not crossing? This side, only doing parikrama. My desire full, my family, my this senses. Therefore, say this is called Maya Shakti. Sangsar Bandhan, never broken. No liberation. Nothing. Swarup Sandhan, impossible. Therefore, took shelter at time like sun is taking ocean to water and keeping on near and saving. Nice. And sun never disturbing them. Similar. Guru Varga near, God family is near, you are took shelter, they are taking you. Above of Maya. There no more Maya, no more attachment, no more attraction. Then little bit you are following, you are helping, then this is called service. This is not karma, no coming result. Not myself, then no karma. For whom? For them. Whom? God person. Then they are take my responsibility. Then nobody disturbing. Sometimes clouds are fighting, big fight and big crash. But result of where coming? Not for them, coming down. People is down, there is praying, rain is come, cooling me, helping me, coming thunderbolt and burning and killing all, destroy all. Why killing them? Without service, by force, you try to stealing this water, clouds too. You first surrender, then water automatically coming. No. With bomb, with this dynamite, I am stealing this water. But impossible. God, this house too. God, this store too. How can taking? Many people say, sadhus are, ashram is bigger. They are doing bhajan, eating nice, sleeping nice. They are all facility, all stealing. And kicking sadhus. Sadhu anywhere going, there will be same. Why? There is nearby God. What problem for them? But you are stealing, the thunderbolt is coming and killing you, you are smashing you. No problem. No safety. No protection. That was saying, Bohirmukh Jiva. Tumita Dayar Sindhu, Adhama Janar Bandhu, Tummohe Prabhu, Karay Abadhan, Podinu Asad Bole, Kam Timing Gile Gile, Ohinath Karaparitran. How understanding? I am Maya inside. Then every day, every moment, this lust is disturbing. And all body has lust. Finger, ear, eyes, bodies, anywhere. Oh, lot of. If you touching, then it's something like electricity. Everywhere. Not one senses. This is Maya Devi's rasa drinking result, fruit. And Bhagat Rasa, the drinking, anywhere, looking at him, or feeling well. No more attachment there. Otherwise, this face, very nice, very beautiful, wonderful, all time polishing, kissing, shaping, covering. For whom? For poison. Distributing poison, ready. Poisonous spot. Many trees, fruits, very sweet. many trees fruit is bitter and poison. So this poisonous tree, plant and fruits. This Maya also drinking. Therefore, Das Goswami, one place is telling, Krishna, this pears is growing, then pears to million pears Krishna collecting. And jealousy, other Prasdevijar, they are planting these pears, they are to growing throne. And this allergy tree. One tree is Bengal has. These leaves is you touching, everybody become allergy and burning and boils coming. This is called jealousy tree. Mahadev is also drinking, then you will be like allergy tree. Looking anybody you will be, they have become allergy. All are hating. Yeah, nonsense, useless. And Bhakta devotee not drinking this Maya Rasa. Therefore, anywhere there is very sweet, very famous, very happy. Therefore, the Mahaprabhu saying, Das Goswami is for, hey, Gramya Bhatta na sunibe, Gramya Gata na khoibe, Bhalo na khaibe ar bhalo na poribe. Hey, Raghunath, suno, what? Before you teaching others, now strong. Anybody coming you near, distributing your mundane these things, you cannot drinking. In air inside you, not taking. And not speaking, not dressing them. They coming, Haribol, Hare Krishna, otherwise go. Hare Katha, otherwise go. No relation, no any other talk. Then not drinking, you will be strong, giving ban. Then respecting everybody. All giving Banche Dravana Devi. Hey, take, go. Cloth. I have anything, take. Haridas Thakur, one copin and door, command. Sanatana Goswami has one clipper and command. What you taking? All take, go. Then Maya Devi is, anything is not with you, then not become allergy. No allergy tree, no disturbance coming, not mind will be disturbed. And lot of things, collection, bag, HIC, suitcase, almari, this, that, all things, lot of Maya, moha, attraction. Oh, no sadhu's rules. Therefore, he is telling Mahasoy, Mahan Asoy. What Asoy? I have Krishna Prem, Krishna Bhakti, Bhagat Bhakti. I have no other things. I can collect other things. Therefore, going Guru's house, Guru's near taking Diksha, Gurudev, I am your. No more any other near Diksha, no any other near shelter. I am your. Prabhu, please you accept me, give me shelter. I can go and any other near. And Vaishnava near to taking Siksha. Then Shastra's knowledge coming. No, they are not upeksha, no neglecting, no hating. They are very helpful then. Now saying, Nityananda Prabhu how helping Jiva, then saying, oh, Nityananda Prabhu, Krishna Seva for Swarup Shakti, merciful, Vaishnava. Vaishnava's heart has this Swarup Shakti is mercy. That Vaishnava, Kripa, mercy, how can coming, how can getting Nityananda Prabhu teaching and helping. And this Swarup Shakti, only Aladini and Sambit, this essence. Nityananda Prabhu, this Gurudev, and this Vaishnava is near to collection for giving charge. They will bit good brain. Vaishnava near to how can collect. Like, give example, honey bee. Early morning waking, little sleeping and going early morning. Where? Flower near, collecting for honey. Daytime not going, sun rising not going. Then honey, they hiding. Early morning, honey bee going and drinking honey. Same, Vaishnava is near to, how can you getting mercy and blaze? This is Nityananda Gurudev is teaching. So Gurudev has no mercy and blaze? Yes. truthful. But how can serving Gurudev, preaching Gurudev? Gurudev cannot teaching, cannot telling to serve me. I am everything you. This is not Gurudev telling. Telling that problem. Another once a time in Govardhan, Kartik month parikrama running. Then nobody is staying, all gone parikrama. I am alone and some women. And Gurudev, everybody is kicking also, not staying any problem inside them. He's kicking within feet. Get out, go parikrama, nowhere. Then I am gone, afternoon time, messaging for him, bathing before. Then I am looking, nobody here, I am alone. One, new boy, take Diksha. As you coming with me helping? Yes, he is gone. I am messaging. After, he is also helping. He said, Gurudev, I have one question. Say, yes, ask him. Gurudev sitting after message. He said, Gurudev, you give me answer. Raghunath Das Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, messaging oil? Yeah. My Guru Varga, all Acharya, they are also messaging oil. And Gurudev, silence, not telling anything. And he's telling me, our language it is, hey, it is Anadhikari, why bringing my name? Never bring him. Otherwise, you also lost your everything. Why? They cannot learn anything. They have no respect and faith. They have no attachment, no relation. They have doubt. Gurus for also doubt. Gurudev merciful, giving some chances. How can coming nearby? How will be close? And therefore, Gurudev giving some service for chances. But this pupil is thinking, this is hope. Why? They have own idea, own choice. Therefore, Vaishnavas near going. Upadikhanti Tegyanam. Krishna present in Kurukshetra. Krishna telling, hey, Arjuna, suno, here. What? Tadviti pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadikhanti Tegyanam Gyanino Tattvadarshinaha. Tattvadarshi, Vaishnava, Sadhu, they are near going. Top first is Pranipat, offering pranam. Pariprasna, jigyasa, no challenge. I am qualified your life, then please you teach me, you tell me. Otherwise, no need telling, no need anything. And Seva with service, pleasing them. Then they are looking you like you are one small baby. Like new calf. Cow is automatically giving milk. And very humble, then giving this mercy and bliss, parikatha and knowledge. Otherwise, not giving knowledge. So Tattva Gyanam, where from coming Tattva Gyan? Pure knowledge. Only one way to Vaishnavas near. Vaishnavas is like farmhouse has flower, blossom now. And they are to collecting this honey bee. Vaishnavas near to mercy, not getting, not collecting, life not will be successful. Never. And no understanding Guru Seva. And no Guru's mercy coming. So first training center in Vaishnava. After Guru Seva. Guru Seva, then train, then Krishna Seva. Not too easy thing. Therefore say telling Narottam Thakur. Oh, I am this world Daya Sindhu. Krishna's kindness, God kindness and mercy, everything reserved. Vaishnavas near. That Vaishnava understanding and then they are giving me. I am fallen to fallen. I have no daina, no humble mood, nothing. I have lot of frauds. I have mundane nature with this. I am arrested. and I am tying. I am not independent. I am thinking I am independent, but Maya Devi arresting me. I am in Maya Devi jail. How can I am giving bail? Who is kind and taking me and prison to out? Otherwise, I am prisoner. Inside is Maya, prison, all suffering. But how can coming out? I don't know process. Only Vaishnava is teaching this process. How can coming out? Otherwise, impossible. Not possible Maya prison to anybody coming out. Like water inside fish, take out, or fish is died. Maya prison inside is I am suffering, staying, then I am happy. That too, Vaishnavas, by love, by own responsibility, they take out, then is possible. Otherwise, I am coming out of jail, then I am thinking, how can going back? How can going return inside jail? Then is happy, bah. And my friends or my prisoner collecting them. You come back, bah, I am very lucky. Otherwise, I alone. But Guru Vaishnava, anyhow, they bringing back to jail. Then they are teaching, then is possible. Otherwise, not possible. Otherwise, there is, I am doing yoga and doing austerity, any sadhana, that sadhana not is perfect and right. Sometime thinking, chanting, oh, right, good, I am feeling some way. After, deep inside this brain. Why? Also Sangha. They are giving inspiration and they are also praying God near. Oh God, please, it is my this prisoner not going out of me, out of my family, out of my this association. Oh, please, you give back, return my home. Oh, please, Prabhu, don't take. This is not good for you. Please, I am serving in you. You give me back. But not possible. Now saying next, Nishkapat Bhajan. What is Nishkapat? No kapata. Complete clean Bhajan Pranali. Jabat janam mor aparade hoinu bor niskapati na bhajinu toma. Tothapi tumi se gati na chhadiyo pranapati আমার সম নাই কয় অধমা no not telling অধমা telling সত্যি telling oh I have life, I know I am every moment making many offense. Niskapat, no clean heart. I cannot do clean bhajan. I have no process, and process then I have no stain. Stain then my near is my association. There is tying me, stealing me, pulling me, and telling me I am you. How can I am crossing? I can understand. Therefore, Prabhu, you are my beloved lover. I am falling. Please, you take me and keep me, tying me. Your lotus feet near. I have no desire. I am going back, Maya. Sometime, some person come. Temple, brahmachari, Gurukul. Guru is near, Vaishnava is near. Then, looking, two couples sitting in park in garden, here corner, they talking nicely, they have very love, embracing, kissing. Then thinking, I am dry only. I have no any friends. Nobody talking with me. Nobody coming my near. Oh, God, give me this gift. One friend, then my life will be successful. God, you are make me dry. Not give me any friends. Jiva, weak, and Jiva is this hungry, and Jiva has lot of desire. How can come? Sometimes understanding, sometimes praying, sometimes return. One turn off, but no return. One is printing, then one is reprinting, but no reprinting, no. This is re-back. Not back only, re-back. Come, then is something going. Then way down and deep oil. They sailing Brahma Mukhamiva Deham Puti Charmavan Avanaddam Krimikula Satapurnam Mutra Vishtanulepanam Vigata Bahula Rupam Sarva Bhugadivasam Dhuvamanar Nimittam Kintu Moha Prasatya. How telling? Brahma Mukhamiva Deham. His body has faces, many brawn, many small boils is coming and pause inside, pushing and pause coming. That one kissing for how much desire, very sweet. And Puti Charma Abanaddam, body has many boils and bad smell, sweating. Oh, that one is like one country called this country's people 6 months cold night, there is leaking all our body, another one. No going bathing, only another one body leaking like animal. I'm forgetting. And then tell me. Puti Charma Banadhan. This body and this pus, sweat, this is inside is only leaking and smelling. Krimikula Satapurnam. Inside stomach, many worms, big, small, many. Mutra Vishtanu Lepanam. Toilet passing, urine, sometimes no sense. Oh, passing and all. Why? No controlling brain. Inside is laying, sleeping. Vigata Bahula Rupam. Sometimes skinny, ugly, sometimes black, back, sometimes this side bend. But Sarva Bhugadi Vasam. But that things enjoy for I have desire. Dhruva Manana Nimittam. You will be dead, leaving this body. Is truthful. But Moha Prasatya. This Moha, this inside. Bhava, how is Asakti? Telling. Thakur Master saying, Prema Bhakti Antarai. Prema Bhakti for going, how many disturbances there? Ek Krishnam Kare Sarupa Punas, Premier Karan Bhakti Karana Prakash, Premier Uday Hai, Premier Vikar, Siddhakampa Pulakadi, Gadagasto Sudhan, Anayase Bhavakhay, Krishna Sivan, Ek Krishna me phale, Pai Yatadhan, and of Krishnam Jodi Loy Bhubar, Tabi Jodi Prem Nahe Nahe Ostudhan, Tabi Jani Aparad Ache Prachur, Krishnam Vista He Na Kare Unkur. One time chanting Krishnam, all sins and offense and anartha, everything is destroying and giving his Prema Bhakti for entrance. And after Prema Bhakti following, then Prem Vikar, all nature is changing. All time seed, Kampa Pulak, and tears is going. And crossing Maya, Krishna Baba desire coming. Krishnam giving many fruits, everything. That Krishnam, long time I am chanting, but no pain, no tears, nothing. Then understanding, I have lot of offense, aparad. Meaning, I am my priti, my love, I am lost. I am giving share any other. I am selling my love. I am giving loan my love. I am giving mortgage my love. Therefore, this love is, I cannot bring it back, nor using for gold. You know, mortgage love? I am born writing, 10 years for I am here. 20 years for I am here. Mortgage. Like Kadambisi, devotees me are telling, okay, once son is born, then I am not with you more. Before son, I am with you. And mortgage, son is born, is left. So many people, young age, thinking, oh, Shastra's order, 25 to 50 years is family for needs. Then I am giving mortgage myself. One person's near. Telling, somebody, selling myself. Okay, your father is give me 20 lakhs rupees, yeah, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, then I am your. I am myself is selling. I am your now slave and writing bonds. As you like you do, but I can't tell you anything. I am your slave. You have 10 friends, 20 friends, no problem. But I am serving all time. This is called calm timingale, bellfish, and they are 24 hours, big mouth is opening, or digesting for. Saying, Ohinath Karaparitran, Hey Prabhu, Hey Krishna. This very powerful and strengthful, this calm last. That too. You, please, you protecting me, save me, give me back. Saying, one seed you planting. Seed is very strong, watering nicely, automatic growing and sprout and looking very nice. Stem is come. And after raining, after sun, everything toilets. Similar. Bhajan for try again and again. I am going Guru's near, Vaishnava's near. They protecting, watering, Savan Kirtan. These things with his Bhakti Lata now growing. Then Bhav Kusum money might mood tendency, good tendency coming. And they are good flower, good smell, good tasteful fruits, everything coming, healthy. Then no more problem. But top of stone I am planting, they are not growing, then will be dying. Similar. My heart is I am making stone, then is problem. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Kaviraj Goswami writing. Chaitanya Nityananda nahi esa vichar, naam loile prem den, bhayo sudar. Chaitanya Nityananda Prabhu's holy name has no problem. You are chanting, praying, then coming, praying. Okay. Then Nityananda Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving many aparadhis, many prema bhakti, ninduk, padua, pasandi, everybody is giving. That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Srivas Pandit, near offense making, giving them also prema. Sachimata has some offense, then Aditya Prabhu is near. He is telling Aditya's Vidyasu to taking and giving prema. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, they are not thinking about prema. Yes. Sachimata for not giving. Devananda Pandit for not giving. Aparad, they are not giving. Offense not giving them. But million life too, I have offense. But Nityananda Prabhu, Mahaprabhu, looking and shaking. They are humble and forgiveness for praying and crying and excuse me, sorry. They realize it. Then it's possible. Otherwise, not possible. This Guru Vaishnava, they outside, inside they understanding. They know everything. Mahat Aparad, then first is coming big disease. And after they will be against and heart will be dry and they cannot serving Guru Vaishnavas. Then going distance to Guru Vaishnavas, service to going distance and slow, going very far away and Maya with quick relation, but Guru Vaishnava giving forgiveness, mercy, bringing nearby. And the Jiva make offense, going distance, far away, complete far away, and making big border and boundary, then not coming close nearby anymore. But Guru Vaishnava first, no checking. Anybody came, okay, I'm everything take up, give up, everything I'm cleaning you, I'm taking that. Then give me all facility. But there is lost. They are lost everything. This is on Jiva's independent nature. They are not lost. Seriously, be carefully with it. Guru Vaishnavas, then they are also next protection for the fighting. But I am neglecting them. First offense, then coming disease, many types of sickness. After sickness, then weakness. Weakness, then is be afraid. Then they will distance. And after thinking, I am going there, I am not qualified, I am not able, now no more good for me. I am distance is much better. No coming more. Then how can I help you? Tomorrow, next. Otherwise.